Hello everyone, I'm Sammy from HackerBotnet, and today I'm going to show you GamePlayer for iOS, a game hacking app that allows you to get unlimited gems, money, and so on in your favorite iOS games. As always, you can find this app at cheatware.net. Just go to your local search engine, enter cheatware, and go to cheatware.net, and then go to GamePlayer right here. Now, without further ado, let's get into how to hack games using this awesome app. Once you have GamePlayer installed and you have followed the instructions at the link below, you can just start it up and you'll get this beautiful overlay. Then all you need is basically a game that you want to hack. In this game, you should have a number, such as your gold in Clash Royale, which we were going to use as an example, that you can try to change and search for the gold value in this case, which is at 443 right now. So the way this works is you go into GamePlayer and you search for this value in the game process. So you go to your setting, select application, you choose the game you're trying to hack, and then all you do is basically you enter the value that you're looking for. In this case, it's 443 gold that we're looking for. You enter that, you go for auto value selection, and you'll get a huge list of values. To narrow that down, we go back into the game, we change that value by buying something, taking damage, whatever you need to do to change the value that you want to hack, do it. Then we scan for the value again. It's now at 43. We scan, we get a selection of 3 values. That's enough to change them all. I always recommend below 10 values to change them. Now you change it to whatever you like. In our case, we're going to go for about 430 million or whatever. And there you go. You hacked a value. This is the very basics of game hacking. Scanning for the value by changing it and scanning again and scanning it again until you find the right one, and then you change it to whatever you like. Now, disclaimer, this is Clash Royale. This is an online game. It doesn't usually work on online games. This game will desynchronize because the actual values are actually stored on a server. So guys, this works on single player games only. And that is how you use GamePlayer to hack iOS mobile games. Now, if you're looking for other hacks for any kind of game, be that Android, iOS, computer games, whatever, I highly recommend you head over to HackerBotnet, because if you've ever looked for cheats online, you know that there's a lot of scams out there. Fakes, scams, surveys, human verification scams, all that good stuff. If you use, for example, Google to find cheats, you will be sorely disappointed. A lot of fakes, a lot of stuff that doesn't work. So what you want to do is you're going to want to go to HackerBotnet. You want to go to find cheats, and there you will have a search engine that will only look among legitimate cheating websites that offer real hacks for the cheats that you're looking for. So as an example, I'm going to enter here Clash of Clans, and then if you're on iOS, for example, you would go for iOS mod. Okay. There you will find legitimate iOS mods for Clash of Clans as an example. Now, if you're on Android, you would obviously go for something like the mod APK, or if you're on PC, you would go for PC hack or whatever. So that is how you find legitimate cheating software, hacks, and so on using HackerBot.net. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you've learned something. And as always, you can find the link to GamePlayer and how to install it in the description of this video. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.